Welcome to my channel MHM Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. Also, on this channel I will post small education videos of various areas helping you opening, learning something new to use in your work or hobby. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Wise plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. I will give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos could save you much time because you mostly could skip there and start practicing right away. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel MHM Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. I've spent hour 300 seconds to make this video. Thanks for appreciation, I mean like and comment. Now, you can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.